Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Matt with Green Bar Trading. What a wild day. So, we're seeing obviously a ton of volatility. With volatility, you can take advantage of it. These big moves up and down, you can really take advantage of it if you know some technical analysis and if you manage your risk, because that's key. The market is like a roller coaster this week. So it's not easy at all. Um, but I'm going to get into my trade here in a second. And the product that I'm trading today is the Micro E-mini. This is a very um, a very fun thing to trade because you can really limit your risk. You can manage risk very, very well. Manage risk, follow rules, and it is one of those things where you can do it with a smaller account. And I think that's what's so important about this. Not everybody has these huge accounts that they could trade. Tons of share size, the big ES, which is the regular E mini. So here we go. This is going to be a video all about trading the Micro E mini. So with Thinkorswim, I think all you need in the account, if I'm not mistaken, is $1,500 to trade this product. You're not putting all $1,500 online, obviously, but that's what you need in your account. You do need a margin account to trade this. But, you could do it with a smaller account. So I'm going to show you guys here in a second. This was a good way to finish up and wrap up the week. If you guys have been following me, 2 days ago, I had a pretty big loss. So with this today, this $191, yesterday, I believe was about $140 or so. So we've already gotten back just over 30% of that big loss. I said I wasn't going to do it all in one day, obviously. Not the way you want to trade. If you trade that way, you swing for a home run and you could be down way more. So I wanted to take a couple of base hits. Today was another perfect example of just a nice line drive into the outfield. Nice base hit. So that's it. I'm going to get into the trade here right now. And this is technical analysis at its finest. Don't ask me why Thinkorswim is not allowing or not showing my trades. It was 2 seconds ago from my screenshot that I just did. But I know where I bought, where I sold, so I could just go over it with you guys right now. So to start the day off was right here. My first trade was done in the pre-market. And that's why I like this product so much. You could trade it all night long, all day long. It works for me because I'm at my computer really early in the morning and after hours. So, trading part-time, this does work for me, trading this type of product. When I got short the break of this level right here. So this was holding up. Once this broke down, I got involved in the trade right here on this candlestick. So it broke down. I waited for the retracement, got a great fill right here, and then took my profit on the next leg down. This is the way that I trade these. A lot of times I like to wait until you get that dip. It comes back a little bit, get a good entrance, and then take the profit, coming back down. So that's what we did right here. This was the first 2 contracts that I traded. This was a nice win right here. And then I was away all day long. And my next trade was a big one. This was a really, really good trade. So right here, we have a trend line. I like to trade with the trend. If you look back here at the pre-market, we were trending the same way. Very obvious down. So this is a break of this level, and that's where I got into my trade like I just went over. Going back to this during the trading day, very clear resistance descending trend line right here. So getting involved when we got the push up, I think I got filled at 19 and then at 22, and then took my profit down here at 45.09-ish right here. You're never going to get to the very bottom, but I knew that 4,500 was a very clear level that we have bounced off of the last 3 trading days. So that's what I was looking for here. I was looking for a move back down to that level. I didn't get greedy. I took my trade off right, and I just lost it. I took my trade off right here when it started to stall out. That's when I took my trade off at 45.09. It dropped a little bit further, well, a lot further, but that was just a 3-minute move. And that's why I like to scalp, because then it just ripped all the way back up over 40 points in 10 minutes. That is incredible volatility. So with volatility, we could take advantage of that. So this is the Micro E-mini. You know, each point it moves is $5. So, you know, keep that in mind. It's a nice way to minimize risk. If I was trading the regular ES, this would have been times 10 profit-wise. So almost $2,000 in profit if I was trading the regular ES. I don't like to do that on such a volatile day. I find it's hard to manage risk that way. That's why I went with this. And, you know, it's also good to show people with small accounts that they're able to trade a lot of different products. So that's, you know, a really good product to learn how to trade. It trades, you know, the same way the market trades. The SPY, if you follow that, that's all this is the S&P 500 futures. It just follows the way that the market trades during the session. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit the thumbs up for me, and I will see you back on the next one. Take care, guys.